Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vasi here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your Pulse 3D headset with your iPad. So let's begin the video. So there are two ways in which you can connect your Pulse 3D headset with your iPad. The one is a wired connection and the other way is wireless. First of all, let me show you the wired way. So if you have the Pulse 3D headset, then they come with these wire. Basically this is a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. So you're going to connect one end of the cable with your PlayStation Pulse 3D headset, as you can see right here. You don't need to power it on as it's going to take power from the device, and on the other end you cannot directly connect it with your iPad because they do not come with the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So for that you need to buy a type C to 3.5 millimeter converter if you have an iPad which has a type C port, else the other one. So you're going to connect one end of the Pulse 3D to this connector and the other end will be connected to your iPad. We're just simply going to open the iPad. If it asks for or shows a pop-up, just select headphones, and now it should be connected to our iPad. So here if I play any video from YouTube, you can see you cannot hear it because it is actually coming from the PlayStation or the Pulse 3D headset. This is the wired way. Now for the wireless way, we are going to basically disconnect the wire from here, and you may see that in the box you are going to get this little dongle which you use to connect with your PlayStation. This same dongle is used to connect with your iPad because unfortunately the Pulse 3D headset cannot connect directly via Bluetooth with your iPad. So again you have a USB type A port. For that you are going to need a USB type A to type C converter. If you have the type C iPad, you are going to connect it, and now you're going to connect it with your iPad, as you can see right here. As you can see, this is not very much easy. I think the wired method is easy, but it depends on your need because this connector is pretty cheap, while the converter for headphones to type C is expensive if you buy the original Apple one. Anyways, once you connect it, you're going to see the little blinking light at the bottom, which means that it is looking for device. Now on your PlayStation Pulse 3D headset, you're going to have the power on off button. So just simply power it on, as you can see, and once you power it on, you're going to see a little blue light blinking right here, and after that it will connect with your iPad. If it is not showing instantly, make sure that your headsets are fully charged. So I think mine are not charged. I'm just going to charge them right away. Here you can see the light blinked and now it is connected with our iPad. So again, if I open YouTube and play the video, you can see I cannot hear it because it is actually being played within the headsets wirelessly. So these are the two methods in which you can connect your iPad with the Pulse 3D headsets. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.